At Page A Day Math, we've seen children never reach their full potential because they're afraid of mathematics. So we create lessons that make math fun and engaging, thereby opening worlds for them. We believe the greatest gift you can give a child is opportunity. Here's our Subtraction Kit. Ideal for children ages 5 to 7, it contains 13 books, giving your child 9 months of math practice. Page A Day Math makes it easy on you and fun for your child. All you need is this one box of 13 sequential books and you're set. There's no need to go on a treasure hunt to find the right printouts and various books. It's perfect for a child perfecting their basic subtraction skills. Every math book comes with 550 subtraction problems for a total of 7,150 practice problems. The practice needed to cement the knowledge, but in a format that's never overwhelming for your child. After one use, your child will be able to work independently. Every day, your child will have the opportunity to work through 40 problems spread across 2 sides of a single page. This provides practice without being intimidating or overwhelming. Your child will build a consistent routine and develop great study habits. All Page A Day Math products place an equal emphasis on math and handwriting. Children are always prompted to first trace and then solve each problem. This builds crucial fluency and retention. With Page A Day Math, your child will learn how to write all numbers, including 7s and 4s and 6s and 9s, the way that they're supposed to be written. The age-appropriate font size and handwriting guides support the fine motor development of your child. Unique tracing tracks take the frustration out of writing numbers and build fine motor skills. Take a look at the numbers they'll be working in Book 1, Day 1, versus look at how much they'll know by the time that they start Book 12. It's really incredible. Cute and colorful puppy characters from the Math Squad support your child every step of the way. You and your child will enjoy the adorable jokes and positive affirmations. We also include daily achievement stars, so at the end of the day, your child can mark off all of the days that they have completed. This keeps your child motivated while teaching them good study habits. 3 digital download math bonuses are included with this math kit. You also get 2 downloadable print and cursive handwriting books. They are topic-based with unique handwriting guides and vocabulary. We've seen children never realize their full potential because they're afraid of math. The greatest gift you can give your child is opportunity. What does your child want to be when they grow up? With math, they can be anything. Hit Add to Cart to get your Subtraction Kit.